today I'll be showing you how to build your very own Lego powered RC car, which also moves very quickly. Let's test it on a bigger space. You can go forward, you can go backwards, you can also turn, and you can also turn all the way over. Although it does kind of. Let's get started. So I just got these motors from Amazon, from Hot Art, and they're actually very good. But you can also just use an IR receiver to connect it to a battery box. To do it using another thing. So anyway, I have two motors here connected to the battery box, which are going to power two front wheels, as you see here. So they should just snap on here. So this is the front wheel. So these are your front wheels, which are just attached to both of the motors. And for your back wheels, you need to make something like this with axles, 5-star long axles. And you also need Technic bricks on the sides here and here. So you can just snap this in. You might want to remove your battery box if you already have that in. So just remove your battery box and use these little half bush pieces to connect them here. So this is what one of the wheels should look like. They just spin freely. And you also have to connect the other one with Technic. So once you've connected them, you should just have your wheels like that, and then just connect your battery box. Now I recommend having your battery box with the bottom that connects to normal Lego. If you don't, you can just mount it somewhere else, but I've used one like that. And you just want to connect your motors to the battery box and close your lid. So you have your lid and you just close it up. So this is going to be your remote from Hot Art. So if you go A, you just turn one way. C, you turn the other. And that's because both of the motors have been connected to the ANC port. So if you press both, you can go forward, and if you press the backward button, you go back. But just make sure these little switches are turned on if you have the Hot Art, because it will just reverse it. So you can also turn on the spot by pressing down on one of the side and up on the other. So you can do that, and you can also turn while moving by going forward and then releasing. Now here's the demo on the big floor. So this can work on most terrains in any house. So it works on the carpet,